What home inspectors look for in your home. Do you know what things a home inspector looks for when they visit a property? Home inspectors will investigate every nook and cranny from the foundation to the roof to find anything that might affect the property's value. Here are the main things that they will check. 1. Roof. Inspectors look for leaks, damaged or missing shingles, and moss growth. They also look for any problems with the flashing gutters, vents, attic ventilation, and skylights if your home has them. Make sure everything is watertight to avoid any major issues. 2. Structure. The foundation of the home should be solid and be able to stand the test of time. The inspector will usually check for cracks in the foundation or water damage to the siding or supports. 3. Utilities. The HVAC, filtration, plumbing, and electrical systems will all be thoroughly inspected to make sure they are all working properly and have no safety compromises. If they're damaged or faulty, you should find out how much it costs to repair or replace them. Depending on the age of the home, this can be a scary report. But take note of these areas and keep them in working order because the results of the inspection can influence your final price. Your realtor is also there to help you understand the report and negotiate any repairs. I'm Burt, your local San Mateo County realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by phone or email. I look forward to hearing from you.